Okay, we're going to make a quick fall decoration. I have already cut my pieces out of my Cricut machine. I have a 6-inch wooden shelf-sitting block here. It's a hollow back, just in the natural state. And I've already cut and weeded this out in a pumpkin. You can find this design on my website, Harper & Co. Designs. That's Harper N, the letter N, the letter C-O Designs. And Co is representative of my children. And normally I would have a larger piece of transfer tape. However, I dropped a larger piece, and so this is what I could grab. I didn't feel like digging for it. This is actually contact paper, the shelf stuff from the dollar store, which is inexpensive and works pretty well for this type of thing. This is just some Oracle that I had lying around. This might actually be older stuff. Going to peel off the backing. I'll put this over and we're going to center it in the middle of my block, right about there. Looks good. Press it down a little bit. It's down. Peel this off. Put that aside. I have this little squeegee thing. It's going to be cut on any anything that cuts out SVGs. Could also be done as a print and cut. I have it set up that way. If you wanted to use a PNG, if you wanted to print the PNG. What I did do, what is included in the design, is a variety of styles of split pumpkins, so you can choose the one. It's a 4-pack, so you can choose the one you like the most. One advantage of the clear is it is a little easier to line this up than it is with a color. However, I will say part of my issue is also the fact that I'm trying to see around the camera. So I would normally have a larger piece. Like I said, I dropped my bigger piece, and so I used what I had. This whole thing was a quick project using what I had on hand. I like doing that sometimes. Sometimes find that I like to be able to use up some of the materials I have. I like to write everything down. Now the original image design is a split image without anything in the middle here, and I do it that way so that you can use whatever font you like most, a script, a block, and you can use whatever wording you like most. I have selected the word thankful, and I believe the font I have is Dust Cloud. Ooh, remember I said this was older stuff. I hope that this is not. Right, I spared you the angst of me tearing the back of my paper. Transfer tape. You can put whatever wording you want on here. You can put a family name. Thankful, blessed, whatever you like. And there you have, I recognize the green doesn't show up real well on the camera, but there is a little green leaf there. And there you have a little shelf sitter. Quick and easy. Well, minus the tearing of the paper.